everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue on your Xbox Series X where your screen keeps going black when you switch to a game or you go back to the home screen. And this can get highly annoying. So one thing to try is go up to settings right here and go to general and then go to the right and go to TV and display. Then go to video modes and select this. And one thing we can do is if we go to allow HDR, and then deselect auto HDR, and that's what typically works for me. Also, it could be your resolution that is doing this. So if I set it to 4K right here, a lot of times when you have this enabled, it seems like when you go back and forth, it'll just keep going to a black screen as it tries to update the game to like maybe 120 hertz, or if it's 60 hertz, or maybe the HDR is on, or maybe the HDRs are off. But go ahead and just try those settings. I have 4K turned on and audio HDR is turned off. And that seems to be working for me where I don't get those darn issues when I go back and forth now. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.